Hi there, I'm Renee Fuentes and welcome back to my channel, Thai Caliente. Today I'm sharing a recipe for Thai chicken with ginger, or in Thai it's called Gai Pad Khing. So this dish isn't necessarily spicy like Thai basil, Pad Krapao, but all of the aromatics from the ginger and garlic and onion kind of give it some nice warm heat to it. So ginger has a lot of immune boosting properties, so this is definitely a great dish to have in the cooler months, and it's actually not that complicated to make. I got most of my ingredients at a local grocery store, so let me show you guys how to make it. I have 1 pound of chicken breast. You can also do chicken thighs, and I'm adding about a tablespoon of coconut aminos. You can also do low sodium soy sauce, but I just kind of like the sweetness that the coconut aminos has, plus it's less sodium. So I have a few cloves of garlic that I've just ran through my garlic press, a yellow onion that I've sliced thin, and this is the ginger, so you want to make sure you peel the ginger and then kind of slice it into like small, thin, like matchstick pieces. If you don't like the taste of ginger, you can cut it a little bit smaller. I'm also doing a jalapeno for some spice, and this is about 5 ounces of shiitake mushrooms that I've just kind of sliced thin. You can also do oyster mushrooms or button mushrooms too. And then this is the green parts of 2 green onions, and the sauce is a tablespoon of oyster sauce or mushroom sauce and a tablespoon of soy sauce. So in a large pan or wok, go ahead and add your oil and the chicken breast and go ahead and cook it until it is no longer pink. So that right there looks great. And now I'm going to add the yellow onions, the minced garlic, as well as the ginger. So remember, this is all the aromatics for the Gai Pad Khing. So just kind of break apart the onions, mix everything around, and now I'm going to add the mushrooms in last, since those don't take long to cook, but I do want them to wilt down a bit since they are kind of bigger pieces. So now we're going to add the sauce. Again, this is 1 tablespoon of mushroom sauce and a tablespoon of soy sauce. I'm also adding some water just to kind of thin it out and get more sauce in there. You do want to make sure you taste the dish and see if any extra seasoning is needed. This is just kind of a baseline. So once the mushrooms start wilting, you can go ahead and add, if you're adding jalapenos, you can add them at this point, or omit them if you don't want it spicy. The ginger kind of already has some heat to it. And then I'm adding the green parts of the green onion, and you want to go ahead and turn off the heat at this point and taste it. It needed a little bit more salt, so I'm adding a little bit more soy sauce just to kind of give it a little boost of flavor. But you guys, the stir fry is already done. Look how easy that was. Ginger has so many great health benefits for you. I'm just garnishing a little bit more green onions. Serve it with some steamed jasmine rice, and you have a nice, authentic Thai meal. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Leave me any comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.